Guys, we have a problem.
Bro. Whoa!
First,
Oh!
that's me. This is me right now.
I don't know where I'm at.
He's messing, he's messing.
Alright, I am banned from chatting forever. So guys, I guess that's it, cause that's pretty much the video, so you guys can just go now. Bye.
You like how I impulse and that I am smoking.
No, if you didn't put a smoke down, how could it impulse and walk?
Bye. If you haven't left that yet, you better do it now. If you don't, then if you didn't leave yet, then you're good.
It's J and Z. He is a god. He is a god. I tried to copy off his settings, but he didn't let me. Because I'm pretty sure he has custom. I love his settings because I can edit.
I better not lose against to this level 8.
Make sure you don't stay after your time.
You guys better subscribe, because if you don't, then that's bad and illegal and
After this,
stuff.
you just want to do my next game, I guess.
Don't be late.
I can't believe I can't talk. Just one word.
Materials.
I just want to talk just for a little.
God, materials.
No!
Materials are bad.
Wait. I have both papyruses in my hand, guys. Papyrus and cool papyrus. Papyrus, you've been beaten, but oh wait. Bro, this papyrus is better than you, but you're better than it. You guys are better than each other.
What is this inventory?
Bro, I don't even care anymore.
What? It don't work. The thing don't work anymore.
But,
I was playing on the iPad, so I thought
but, ouch.
Who's sniping her?
Mr. Sniper shot snipes me.
It's been a while since I recorded. Last time, you guys probably saw me playing this game. It's been a while. A while. I'm level 181. You might think that's 181, but it's not. If I could talk, I would show you.
Want me to try and trick shot him?
And after this, I'll show you guys all my legendaries, although you see them now. Or some of them now, anyway. Wait, get out of here, boy!
Oh, sniper. Oh, they should have done it.
Stop playing those twants.
Soul! Is he no, I'm using
Why'd you just throw a bed at me? That's mean. Don't throw a bed at me, Gerald.
My butt!
I'm probably gonna make another video after this of me just reacting to either memes online or just TikTok memes in general or something. It's gonna be a reaction video, I know that, or just something. It's gonna be some kind of video. I'm gonna try to make another video.
Where's the other guy? He ran. You gotta find the other guy. You want these campfires?
I got a battle pass.
You got a battle pass?
No.
I really thought you said I'm dumb.
I ain't taking my battle pass.
Well, I straight just. I thought you said I got a battle pass.
But But
Grannies.
make sure to subscribe and like and turn notifications on so you know when I make videos.
I love the thing that it says.
Make sure you subscribe. If you're from, I will delete
I don't
your
even know how to put that on.
I will delete your account on anything that you're good on.
I'll get Granny's or something.
And subscribe to PewDiePie. Like,
Whoa, I didn't even know that.
I just straight up don't want T-Series to win. Kind of. T-Series is pretty much a companion. So if he wasn't, then why is there not a video of him?
I see you. Look at that soccer skin. It's my brother. And my sister. It's not me. Cause I'm a soccer skin.
Bye.
But get in my hand, boy. It's quite OP. Just imagine getting Undying the Undying low, and then bringing this down and bopping it for the rest, and then copying it.
Sniper. Oh, there's another guy. I didn't even see him. Okay. Heal you. Practice some team, my boy. Oofin! Alright, you need to heal my ass. Finish off his teammates.
Lost as good.
Pump it.
Doesn't matter, 'cause you would kill these
No.
weird.
Oh, soccer skin, stealing kills. Your teammate got knocked. Oh, why are there no shields? Did they bought shields from that guy?
And you're out of here.
Oh, man, kills!
You got the gun. I thought the soccer
Yeah, I know. I'm in copper. Don't bully me for that.
Don't share your medkits. They don't deserve them.
Yeah, I gotta give it to him.
Yeah. Don't give it to the soccer skin.
No!
Bro, the default. He's using the bandages. Oh my god, I think
I
that's
asked
default.
Ooh!
Simon.
Yeah,
Your aim is god.
First off, guys, I only play with determination, sometimes kindness, justice, maybe patience and integrity or perseverance. I never play with bravery. If I do, I'm doo-doo at it. Although
Behind that
I got rid of all the challenges with bravery.
longest thing.
No, just wait.
Bro, stop trying to use pump the long range. Back SMG. Oh. Oh! There you go. Alright, I like it. Yo, get the other guys in. I like you though, I like it. You gotta reload your guns
I'm
sometimes.
sweating, dog. I'm sweating out.
What time is it?
I just
Oh,
tried-
I know.
This video can get to 500 likes, so I'll do a type of video you guys want me to do. But I have to
That
tell
makes
you
us
on
10
subscribers.
right now.
I don't know, I just don't want you to get in trouble.
I'm not. You might actually bedtime to start this. Look at that. Look what I
Yeah,
did.
you
That's how
see that?
hard I'm sweating up
Do you
here.
have any bounce pads? You should.
I don't. How do you?
Well,
Yeah, you only have one bounce pad?
That's probably. Imagine it was a trap right here. We all was in here and like we all.
Yo, just has some. Yo, like you like it. Snipe him! Snipe him! What are you?
I'm sorry.
You're such a good snipe. kid doing? He has a scar, I think. Pump him. Look what's open. He's under there. Bro, we can trap kill him. He's under the stairs. Oh, he's right there. You can just trap kill him on the wall. Epic scar, baby.
Bro, that's 4 legendaries.
No!
There
Yes,
you go.
let's go.
Let's go. That's not a thing. Kill. You gonna drop a 10 bomb or something? Like, dang. Best part is you haven't had any shield this whole game. Alright, well. Go in a circle. Go in a circle. What do you do?
Boy, why you bully me?
I say you hit the slipstream. Once you're in circle, launch out of it. Wow.
Alright guys,
This win does not count.
this video will go on for 4 more minutes and I'm gonna probably have to end it there. Because it can't go on for much longer.
But if you don't hit one, this one doesn't count. Yep, I'm gonna hack it and it won't count. Even though it's on my account, it'll be a free win. Oh!
Oh, that can kill me. Bro, how did that change? That's not Saiyans at all. Are there skins for the cards now? This is not how the Saiyans look.
That was so close. Oh, gotta aim it up a little bit.
Oh. Oh wait, no. I need to see something real quick.
That was a 3 boy. If you fall in the nail bush.
Right. Oh, he's in
Can't
there.
fire. Oh, look at this kid. Imagine.
That is not how it looks.
Imagine you jumped up right into it. Oh, they're on a supply drop. I think. Yeah, they're on a supply drop. Yeah. No one's in there.
Oh, wait, I think I sniped him and killed him.
No.
Like made him. Not probably.
No, y'all need to go there. I think mine's some mouse pads. Soccer skin. Oh, there's people down there, I guess. Yeah. People down on the river. Yeah. What? I want to go so high.
No!
Oh, what a lucky save! You need to go in there and just star spray. Or practice and just spray. Get him! Snipe him.
No!
Gold scar. Ah! No!
Watch! You're going to let me die! Oh my freaking god!
No cuss words.
You're actually bots, dog. You're a bot. I bet you
They might
that's
review you.
YouTube.
They might review you.
They can. There's no review
All I heard was YouTube.
around me.
Wow, they're done.
You can just leave.
I just want to see what happens.
He's going
Maybe the soccer skin will pull off again. Just gotta think. Gotta have fight.
And he's on mouse and keyboard.
It's 9:07. Showers better be done. Karate got done.
Okay.
It's a night.
That's alright. Me and Tony gotta pee.
It was good seeing you. I hope you had fun, at least a little bit.
Hope you ate all the
Alright, well
wiener.
that's the video. Bye.